Hello friends, myself Dr. Ritvi and I welcome you to our channel Homoeopathy The Healing Power. Friends, in today's video we are going to study homeopathic medicine, which is one of the greatest hemorrhoidal medicine. Friends, and that medicine is Aesculus. Friends, as we are studying homeopathic medicines for piles, so in our previous video we have discussed and studied in detail homeopathic medicine Ratania for piles and for anal fissures. Similarly friends, today we are going to study homeopathic medicine Aesculus. Friends, if you have not watched our previous video on homeopathic medicine Ratania, then you can watch this video. I am posting the video link in the description box and in the I button. Friends, in this video we will be studying in detail Aesculus, the unique sign and symptoms of Aesculus in hemorrhoids. Also, we will see what are the important keynotes that we have to keep in our mind while prescribing Aesculus. So let's get started. But if you are new to our channel and if you have not subscribed our channel till now, then subscribe the channel, press the bell icon and select option all, so that you will be get notified whenever a new video is uploaded from Homoeopathy The Healing Power. Like this video and share this video among your friends and classmates. So let's get started. Aesculus Hippocastanum. Friends, Aesculus is proved by Dr. Cooley. It belongs to the family Sapindaceae and the common name of this medicine is horse chestnut. Homeopathic mother tincture is prepared from the ripe nut of this plant. Friends, to understand Aesculus, we must know the theme of this medicine. And the most important part here is the theme of Aesculus. The theme of Aesculus is plethora. That means something that is very excessive in amount. And here in Aesculus, there is excess of blood. There is a sense of fullness everywhere in the body. Aesculus mainly acts on liver and on portal system. These are the main centers of action of Aesculus. Also, they act on lumbosacral articulation. The main action of Aesculus is also seen on the mucous membrane of mouth, throat, and on the mucous membrane of rectum. By acting on liver, Aesculus produces disordered liver, which results in engorgement of hemorrhoidal veins. Also friends, this disordered liver produces congestion of veins, and this congestion of vein produces fullness in various parts of the body. This fullness is seen in pelvic organs, in lumbosacral region. This congestion of vein produces a sense of fullness, and along with that it also produces other symptoms like heat, pain and dryness of the affected part. Aesculus is one of the antisoric medicine, and constitutionally it is suited to those persons who have hemorrhoidal tendencies, who suffers from hemorrhoids. Also it is suited to those who suffer from gastric and bilious troubles. Friends, let's start the symptomatology of Aesculus. Friends, let's start with concomitant symptom first, which is one of the most important keynote and PQRS symptom of Aesculus, and that is severe dull backache in lumbosacral articulation, which is always present along with other symptoms. There is constant dull lower backache, which is seen almost with every symptom. This is one of the greatest concomitant symptom of Aesculus and also one of the most important symptom of Aesculus. And along with that, there is again one keynote symptom of this medicine, and that is there is a sensation of fullness in various parts of the body. This sensation of fullness is seen in heart, in lungs, in stomach, in anus, in brain and in pelvic region. Almost everywhere this sensation of fullness is seen. Friends, Aesculus is considered one of the greatest hemorrhoidal remedies. So now let's see the hemorrhoidal symptoms of aesculus. Here in aesculus there are blind hemorrhoids. That means those hemorrhoids which rarely bleeds. The hemorrhoids are very painful, burning in nature and purple in color. Patient suffers from great burning and itching. Here there is a great soreness and fullness feeling felt by the patient in the rectum. There is a dryness and heat feeling with sensation as if the rectum is full of small sticks. Friends, this is one of the very important sensation felt by the patient. Also here patient suffers from knife-like pains which shoots up in the rectum. Patient passes large dry stool which are very difficult to pass sometimes, but after stool there is a fullness and intense pain felt by patient for hours. So stool is followed by fullness of rectum and intense pain in anus for hours. This is also one of the important symptom of aesculus. And again, along with this hemorrhoids, patient suffers from lower backache, severe lower backache. Friends, because of this prominent symptom of aesculus can also be prescribed in backache. Here the backache is again seen in the lumbosacral articulation. There is a severe dull backache in this area which is more or less constant. Here the patient have a typical sensation. Patient feels that there is something heaviness and lameness present in back. And this backache is aggravated by motion, by walking and by stooping. Generally, this backache is associated with constipation, with piles or with prolapse of uterus or with leukorrhea. This is most important concomitant symptom of backache. Aesculus is also indicated for backache present during pregnancy. Here, the back gives out due to the severe pain during pregnancy. Friends, though aesculus is one of the hemorrhoidal medicine, but it is also indicated in some other clinical conditions. Here, aesculus is indicated for follicular pharyngitis, where the typical symptoms are seen. Here, patient suffers from dryness and roughness feeling. There is also a rawness and sensitiveness felt by the patient. But all of these symptoms and all of this sensation are only felt for inspired air. This is one of the characteristic symptom of aesculus. Patient suffers from violent burning like fire present on swallowing the food. Patient frequently inclines to swallow, but burning, pricking and sticking sensation are felt by the patient. Here patient hawks ropey mucus, and this ropey mucus is of sweetish in taste. In follicular pharyngitis, patient suffers from constant cough, and this cough is aggravated at night. Friends, aesculus is also indicated for coryza, where patient passes thin watery discharge from the nose. But again, patient is very sensitive to cold air, and rawness and fullness sensation is felt in the nasal passage. Aesculus patient have a very typical mental symptoms. Patient is very much gloomy and irritable. They lose their temper easily and gains the control very slowly. Aesculus patients are despondent. That means they have very low spirit and they lack for courage and hope. There is a confusion of mind seen. There is a lots of confusion. There is a sadness and loss of memory seen. Also, there is a great aversion to work seen in aesculus patient. Relation with other medicine, aesculus is similar to aloes collinsonia, ignitia, nux vomica and to sulfur for its hemorrhoidal symptoms. So friends, this is a detailed video on one of the most important medicine, aesculus. Like this video, share this video and subscribe the channel to meet again. Thank you for watching.